Honestly, they were so simple, I didn't even hardly have to do anything.
Wow.
This is gonna make the base for our strawberry,
Okay,
as
so
you
we're
can see right
basically
here.
piecing a base together.
Correct.
And then that green looks like it's an applique over top.
It is.
Okay.
It is. So we're gonna go ahead and layer this up. So we've got the back, and then we've got this batting here. It's called Insulbright. And if you look at it, you can see it's got a little bit of metallic. And then I'm gonna put a layer of batting on top of that as well. And then we're gonna lay this right on top like that.
Okay.
I'm gonna go ahead and just cut it with
live
my...
on the edge?
I am. I'm gonna cut it
Okay.
with my nice sharp rotary cutter. Stitch, 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 stitch. So it's a nice thick line.
Yeah.
You can, if you'd like, put a stitch right down here as well. You'll cut your binding from the fat quarter of red bias. I just took mine and folded it straight to there.
Yeah.
And then I folded it one more time.
That's
so
a great way to
I
use your
could do
extra
that.
fabric. Absolutely adorable.